November, 3 days before Thanksgiving. You know what a good time it is to do right now? Go buy yourself a tractor. I mean, people's putting them up. They put them on Facebook. Ain't nobody calling. Nobody. I sold tractors 20 years ago. And I'm gonna tell you now, people don't buy them till the day it's time to mow their field, pasture, deer lease, whatever. But I would sit on them tractors, and the day the sun come out and the grass start growing, I'd sell every one I had, be looking for more. But anyhow, I picked this beaut up for $500. Old Massey Ferguson. I think it's like a 60 model, what he said. I don't know. There's a little info tag right there I'm gonna have to do a little research on. But it's got good tires, man. You know, if you buy one of these old tractors, make sure it's got good tires on it, because tires are expensive. Tires are usually worth more than the damn tractor is. I might put these tires on Facebook and sell them for $500 a piece. Check, look at what that look. Got a little toot horn on it. You put the bulb on the back and squeeze it. I guess he needed it. I'm gonna leave that on there. I'm gonna get me a little bulb, see if I can find something, put it on there, and make that joker toot again. That's neat. Some old man stuck that on there way long ago. Money says this old thing will run. He never seen it run. Somehow he come across it. Some guy was selling it. It was sitting out in his pasture. But it'll run. I guarantee you. I'm going to have this thing running. I'm going to set a time clock. And I'm going to say, give me 1 solid hour. This thing will be running in 1 solid hour. I got to round up all my stuff. I need ignition. I need some gas. You know, I need a hot battery. A few things like that. I'm gonna have to. Hopefully, I can just sand them points, because the points are always the first issue. I'll bet within 1 hour start, I'll have this tractor cranked up. It's 9:57. I'm gonna give myself 1 hour to get this tractor running, and I got all my stuff here. I got me 5 gallons of gas, got me a hot battery. I went and got me an ignition switch because I don't have the key, and I got a condenser just in case I need it. But I gotta convert it to 12 volt. I gotta put a coil in. I gotta use one. I gotta clean the points, put the fuel in it, get the ignition hooked up, and from there just see what happens. I did that first, that way all the gas I spilled have time to dry up before I try to crank it. I'm gonna get my coil off a Chevrolet 6-cylinder I bought from my van. If you ain't watched that video, I'll put a picture right there. You need to watch it. It's a cool old van. I'm gonna get the alternator off that motor too, because I have one on my van. And that motor come with one. I believe they're a 1-wire alternator. Had to do a little research. Oh my God. Got another bolt at the bottom. Behind. Yeah. All right, let me just, I ain't going through all that. Hell, that'd be an hour right there getting the bracket off. I got the bottom bolt out, and I took the screw out, slid it up in the hole. I'm gonna hang it on here. I'm gonna hook that on the bottom bolt. But for now, I'm just putting on the top bolt, because that bottom bolt is a booger bear. I mean, it's right behind the starter. Way to go, Mr. Massey and Mr. Ferguson. Way to slow Joe down. in his quest. My wrench. It'll slow me down most where I put my wrench. I'm bleeding. I'm not too crazy, but I'll probably swap that out with the one on my other motor. But that'll work for now. This chicken shit rigging here. You know, come on, dude. Man, it looks like the damn... All right, let me spend some more time I wasn't planning on. Clean this up. The coil was on and hooked up, and I just looked at my clock. It's 10:29. I spent 30 minutes jacking that damn coil. I'm gonna make it an hour. I'm already looking. I still got to put the ignition in. Hopefully ignition and battery. This baby's ready to run. I hope it better. I ain't gonna make it. Oh yeah. She's loose. Good deal. That saved me a little bit of time. Get it down here where I can get to the... Got 13 minutes left, but I got the ignition hooked up. It's turning over. I got the battery and coil on. The good thing about the carburetor, got good news and bad news. It's getting fuel to it. Bad news is it's leaking, but that's okay. We'll settle that once it cranks. For now, I got 13 minutes. I'm gonna pull the plug, see what's getting sparked. It's 11:08. I've been tinkering with it best I can. I finally got some spark to the spark plug and it bumped. She should crank. Let's hear her crank. And I stop. She's running. I don't know what the hell all that banging shit is. The fan. Like something beating up against something. Anyhow, we're gonna call that a run. I'm gonna say 1 hour, 15 minutes. I'd have done pretty good, but I couldn't get no damn spark, man. I kept having to pull the distributor out, look at it, sand the point, tinker, 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 tinker. And I pulled the plug out, no spark, no spark. And then all of a sudden, I hit it, and I guess it sparked. I had the plug out of the hose. It said, boom, boom, boom. And so I stopped. And I put the spark plug back in, turn it on so y'all could see it fire. But I ain't lying, 1 hour, 15 minutes. That's the longest. I think that's gonna be it for this video. This is probably gonna be the first of 3 videos on this tractor. The second one's probably gonna be, I might name it, what the hell is that noise? I'll find out what that noise is. There might not be a number 3 video, but the number 3 video is gonna be me dismantling this thing cleaning it up, washing it, painting it all up, put it back together, make it look pretty, get on new decals and everything. But be sure and stay tuned. Be sure and subscribe so you don't miss them. Because these are good looking tractors when they're fixed up. I'll put a little picture right there to show you one. This ain't mine, but one when it's fixed up what it looks like. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.